Hi, my name is Genesis from Dear Visual Diary, and today I am going to be tackling an entire declutter of the closet behind me. My closet has been collecting and piling up. I've moved 2 different places and somehow my closet still hasn't been tackled. So today we're going to tackle the task of getting rid of old things we don't need anymore, organizing in a way that I see best fit, and honestly just getting the entire thing together. So if that's something that you're into, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video. But without further ado, let's get into cleaning and decluttering this closet. Alright y'all, so as you can see, bottom of the closet is completely done in terms of the clothes hanging. The amount of hangers, that is all the clothes I got rid of. But let's go ahead and move on to the top and the back wall. Alright everyone, that is going to wrap it up for today's closet declutter. As you guys see, I got rid of about 9 or 10 bags of clothes and I was able to organize my closet in a new way. So we have shorts going on over here, long pants. I changed out the laundry basket for this wicker basket, which I think is so nice. This 4-tier organization for all of our just kind of undergarments and things like that. Clothes organized from whites, browns, blacks, and colors, and then same thing on this side, white, gray, and all the colors. And then up top, I just kept it really minimal. So that is it. It feels so much brighter in here and just overall a better place to be. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Again, my name is Genesis and you can check me out on Dear Visual Diary. I do a lot of cleaning videos and cleaning content. So if that's something you're into, make sure you check out my channel. But I will catch you guys later. All right, bye.